Welcome guys to the second section of this course wherein we will explore the various aspects associated to BigQuery ML. Like what problems BigQuery ML is solving, its features, advantages, industry domains which can benefit from BigQuery ML, all these nitty-gritty things. Okay, so let me first formally introduce you to the term BigQuery ML. BigQuery ML is an extended service of BigQuery that lets you create and execute machine learning models in BigQuery using standard SQL queries. The same ML models, which earlier required extensive programming expertise, it may be of Python or R, can now be created with simple SQL syntaxes. BigQuery ML basically democratizes machine learning by letting data analysts create, train, evaluate, and predict with machine learning models using existing SQL tools and skills. It is a blessing for data analysts who have very good knowledge on the domain data, but earlier they could not participate in any of the machine learning initiatives on that data just because they lack programming expertise. But now, with the onset of BigQuery ML, they can use their existing SQL knowledge and data knowledge to build operational production-grade ML models. Not only data analysts, but data scientists and data engineers can also leverage from it due to the flexibility it provides during model creation process. So you can see BigQuery as the combination of both the words, data warehouse and machine learning. BigQuery ML has brought both these words together to a single solution. See, BigQuery was already GCP's data warehouse. Huge amount of data was already present in BigQuery tables. Earlier, to create any machine learning model using this data, you have to take it out from BigQuery, create model using some other service, and then deploy that model, right? But now, since BigQuery itself is providing machine learning capabilities, so you don't have to look outside for model creation process. You can create robust and scalable ML models while staying within a single Google Cloud service, that is BigQuery. That is why I said it is a combination of data warehouse and the machine learning world packed into a single solution. And that solution is fully managed too. You don't have to worry about infrastructure, executors, maintenance and all. Everything is taken care of by BigQuery. All you need to focus is on your data and problem statement. One thing for which BigQuery ML was invented, and the same makes it wonderful, is the friendly SQL syntax of it. A few lines of SQL query is enough to create a model. Believe me, what you are seeing on your screen is the actual query that is enough to create a linear regression model of name Penguins model. This is so tiny and self-understandable. Even if you are new to machine learning but have some knowledge of SQL, you can immediately get acquainted to the query. In the query, you are simply asking it to create a linear regression model named penguins_model on the penguins table of BigQuery public dataset, and it has to predict the value of body mass column. Simple, isn't it? Same like this, after model creation, the tiny queries to evaluate the model and predict will follow. So you can say roughly the whole ML process in BigQML can be summarized into these three queries only. That's the beauty of it. And guys, due to this simplicity and the flexibility which BigQML provides, it is getting very popular in the market. As it does not require any infra setup, no highly trained data scientist requirement, the current teams of data analysts and data engineers alone have started many initiatives within their organization to explore the data from a new machine learning angle. They are trying to make the most use of their data. Earlier, which was only restricted to data engineering purposes, now the same team members are performing machine learning operations on it. According to Google's official list, their customers for BigQML include Hearst newspapers. They are doing customer churn prediction using BigQML. Geotab is using it for weather-based harsh driving prediction for smart cities. News UK for customer subscription prediction. Smart Parking for traffic prediction, Reblaze for automated IP address threat prediction, and there are many more customers worldwide. So guys, that was a quick introduction to BigQuery ML in general. Let us discuss more details about it in the upcoming lectures.